I wanted to do a quick shout out to everyone who's been subscribing for one, liking, and leaving comments. It's things have picked up for us quite a bit, and it is really awesome and really super helps a lot. Our video sold everything and moved to Mexico. A lot of people tuned into that, and man, it feels so good to work on one of these things and have a bunch of people appreciate it, and we really appreciate that everyone appreciates it. That video got over 3,000 views, I think 120 likes. Like, it's so good. 30 some comments, and I'm pretty sure it got 94 or 95 subscribers. So if you're one of those people, man, freaking thanks. That's just so awesome. And it really helps us get to get to the monetization goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It got a bunch of watch hours too. I don't remember how many, a couple hundred, I think. So anyway, that stuff really helps. The last few videos, I mean, the content hasn't been super awesome because we're just kind of laying out a plan of what's to come for Sun Love Sailing, which is basically we're turning this channel into not really a sailing channel, but a channel for people to tune in and get expert advice and opinions and firsthand knowledge and skills of how to set up a yacht for offshore voyaging. And just as a heads up, what's coming, if any of you have seen the last couple of videos talking about rig types on sailboats and the preparation for stepping the masts. The masts are stepped, they're rigged, the sails are on, Belisara's looking really great. And the next video, I'm actually working on it now, is the stepping of the masts with the crane and helpers, and it was a really cool project, and it went really well, really smoothly. It's going to be kind of a long video with just narration, but it does show the entire process of stepping two masts actually on a sailboat, which this is my third time doing that, and it went smoothly, I think, because of that. And because we had an awesome crane operator, and because we had 3 other guys that really knew sailboats and knew what they were doing. So anyway, stay tuned for that. It's probably going to be out in about another 7 to 10 days or something. But again, I just really wanted to thank everybody for tuning in, subscribing, and all the likes and all the comments. It really warmed our hearts at Sun Love Sailing, and we're just super stoked, man. And there's some cool content to come. So thanks again, really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want, say hi. And if you have any questions about anything on your sailboat, I'm quite skilled at fitting out ocean voyaging sailboats, and if I can't answer your question, I can steer you to someone who could. So anyway, I hope you all have a good one, and see you soon.